Hi everyone. Next question on continuous random variable. X is the delay in hours of a flight from London where the function f of x is equal to 0.2 minus 0.02x. Find the probability that the delay will be less than 4 hours. The probability that the delay will be between 2 and 6 hours. F of x is a linear function valid for values of x from 0 to 10. The graphical representation of f of x is going to be a line, and 2 points are enough to draw a line. So we can take when x is equal to 0, what will be the value of fx? When x is equal to 10, what will be the value of fx? So to draw the line, we replace the values of x in the function f of x. When x is equal to 0, f of x is going to be 0.2. When x equals 10, f of x is 0. So we can draw the line. So x can take 0 till 10. When x is 0, f of x is 0.2. When x is 10, f of x is 0. Here we have it, the line, the function f of x from 0 to 10. Find the probability that the delay will be less than 4. So what are we trying to find? The probability. Suppose let's say 4 here. So we need to find the probability of this shaded part here, right? So probability that x is less than 4. So we know that the function is valid from 0 to 10, and we need to find what? The probability less than 4. So we're going to we integrate the function from 0 to 4, 0.2 minus 0.02 x dx. We integrate the first term. Now 0.2 is the same as 0.2 times x power 0. Any value power 0 is 1. So we're going to have 0.2 x, because 0 plus 1 divided by new power, which is 1. So we have 0.2 x minus 0.02 x square over 2 between limits 0 and 4. We replace the limit upper minus lower. So we need to replace 4 in here and in here. So we have 0.2 multiplied by 4 minus 0.02 multiplied by 4 square divided by 2 minus, open bracket, we replace 0 everywhere. So here and here, but we have 0. We simplify. We have 0.8 minus 0.01 multiplied by 16. The answer is 0.64. Second part, you are asked to find the probability that the delay will be between 2 and 6. So this time we need to find between 2, 6. So we need to find the area of this shaded part, the probability of this part. So we have probability of x is between 2 and 6, between the lower limit 2 and upper limit 6. So 2 to 6 0.2 minus 0.02 x dx. We integrate. We have 0.2 x minus 0.01 x square. We've seen earlier when we integrate here between limit 2 and 6. Next, we replace the limits upper minus lower. We have 0.2 times 6 minus 0.01 times 6 square minus open bracket 0.2 times 2 minus 0.01 to the square, which is 4. We simplify. We have 1.2 minus 36 times 0.01. We have 0.36. You minus 0.4 minus 0.04. Simplify, we have the answer 1.2 minus 0.36 minus 0.4 plus 0.04. Minus times minus is plus. So the answer is 0.48. So there we have it, the probability that the delay will be between 2 and 6. Next question. X is the continuous variable, the mass in kg of a substance produced per minute in an industrial process where the function is 1 over 36x times 6 minus x. This function is valid for x lies between 0 and 6. Find the probability that the mass is more than 5 kg. So we need to find what? The probability of x is greater than 5. So let's see. What will be our lower limit? What will be the upper limit? It says greater than 5. So more than 5. So our lower limit is 5 to the upper limit. We know that the function is from 0 to 6. So we're going to have 5 to 6. Lower limit 5, upper limit 6. And we integrate the function 1 over 36x, 6 minus x dx. We can remove this constant outside. 1 over 36 is a constant. So we remove it outside. Integrate from 5 to 6. We have x, 6 minus x dx. Before we can integrate, let's expand the brackets. So we have 1 over 36. We integrate from 5 to 6. X times 6, we have 6x, plus times minus, we have minus. X times x, we have x square dx. Now we can integrate. So we integrate the first term, which is 6x square over 2 minus x cube over 3 between limits 5 and 6. 1 over 36, we take upper limit minus lower limit. So we have 3, because 6 divided by 2 is 3. You replace x square, so we have 6 square minus 6 cube over 3 minus 5 times, so we have 6, 5 square over 2 minus 5 cube over 3. We simplify, we have 1 over 36 72 minus 75 minus plus 125 over 3. Use the calculator to get the answer. 2 over 27, or in decimal form, we have 0.074.